In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Java JDK 25 in Windows 11. So what you need to do is open up a web browser, and once you've got that web browser open, you want to search for Oracle Java. Once you've done that, go to the first website here, Java Software Oracle. And what we can do is we can find the JDK 25 download. So go ahead and scroll down and you might see it on the homepage. Java 25 is available. You can go though to the download Java button, which should always be on the homepage. As you can see, Java 25 is available, and if we scroll down we can see it here, JDK 25. Go ahead and click on that and make sure you're not on the 21 version. And then if you scroll down here, you can see we are downloading Java SE Development Kit 25. Choose the product that you want to download. So in my case, that is Windows. And we can go ahead and download the 64-bit installer, which I'm going to go ahead and click on it. That should then download the file in the top right hand corner. And what you can do is you can go ahead and then run this. Now it will open up the installation wizard. From here you can click on next. You can then click next again, or if you want to change the installation folder, you can do that. I'm going to leave it on default. Click next and it will then install Java. In about 30 seconds that has installed. If we want any instructions or documentation, we can go ahead and click next steps. Alternatively, you can just close it and you have successfully installed it.